Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini on this device. So first open a Google Play Store application and we want to install Gemini. You want to go to Search tab at the bottom side of the screen, and now at the top tap on Search bar, and here using your keyboard you want to type Gemini. Now from the list of results you'll find Google Gemini, you will find here button install, you want to press that button, and soon you will see open button. Let's press it. Now you want to sign in with your Google account. Simply follow on-screen instructions and enter your Google account email address and also password to that email address. And this way you can log in, you can sign in to your Gemini. Now you want to make sure that Gemini is your default assistant. To check that, you want to tap this menu inside the Gemini application that is located in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap your profile icon and scroll down to settings, and from here find digital assistants from Google. You want to make sure that Gemini is selected, not Google Assistant. Now let's go back to Gemini settings and let's open Talk to Gemini hands-free. And additionally, if you want to use Hey Google voice command, you can also enable this. Let's press turn on, tap done button. So you can enable how to activate Gemini. You can activate Gemini by saying Hey Google voice command. Additionally, you can press and hold power button like this, or you can simply open Gemini application on your device directly and use it. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.